Good evening, I'm Ankita Singh, and you're watching the 9 p.m. bulletin on Channel 6 Network. Let's take a look at tonight's top stories. The US Securities and Exchange Commission has sought India's assistance in serving legal notices to Gautam Adani and his nephew, Sagar Adani, over allegations of securities fraud and a bribery scheme. The case has reignited political tensions, with opposition leaders questioning Prime Minister Narendra Modi's stance on the issue. A White House video showing deportees in shackles has sparked widespread criticism, drawing strong reactions from various quarters. The debate intensified after tech billionaire Elon Musk weighed in, further polarizing opinions on the US immigration policy. Maharashtra's Mahayuti alliance leaders, Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and Deputy CM Eknath Shinde, have addressed speculation about internal discord. The leaders emphasized unity within the coalition while launching a new medical aid cell initiative aimed at improving healthcare accessibility. In a significant diplomatic development, former UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak and his family have arrived in India. They met with Prime Minister Narendra Modi to discuss cultural ties and future collaborations, strengthening relations between India and the UK. A Bengaluru man has won a legal case against PVR Cinemas and Inox after complaining about extended advertisements before movie screenings. The Consumer Court has now ordered multiplexes to clearly display actual movie start times on tickets, excluding ad durations. Maharashtra is set to introduce a pod taxi system linking Mira Bhayandar with Thanedhod Bunde to alleviate urban congestion and improve metro connectivity. The project aims to provide a faster and more efficient mode of transport for daily commuters. Meanwhile, the Maharashtra government has announced plans to amend existing laws to permanently shut down dance bars. Authorities are working to close legal loopholes to ensure these establishments do not reopen, citing concerns over the dignity of women. In Mumbai, residents of Markandeshwar Nagar slum in Worli face eviction due to the coastal road expansion project. While authorities push ahead with the redevelopment, residents are demanding proper rehabilitation measures instead of displacement. Karnataka's Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has reaffirmed the government's commitment to implementing the caste census report. The initiative is expected to play a crucial role in shaping policies aimed at addressing social inequalities. And finally, the much-anticipated Ghansoli-Airoli Palm Beach Road extension project in Navi Mumbai has begun after receiving environmental clearance. Expected to be completed by September 2026, the new road aims to improve connectivity and reduce congestion in the region. That's all for tonight. Stay tuned for more updates on Channel 6 Network. I'm Ankita Singh, signing off. Good night.